A journey starts with one step. Then it ends up in the sea. Oh look, a message in a bottle.
Help! Help! Our ship is sinking, and all our gold will be lost forever.
This is my ship.
Then your third step is in the bottom of the sea. Where is this ship?
You better turn back if I were ya.
Why is that?
There's a ship guarded by the great shark.
Don't worry, I'm an expert in deep sea combat.
Your funeral.
It's pitch black here. I can't see anything. Look, there's that ship.
Oi, halt!
And who might you be?
I am the Great Shark, and this here is my gold.
Well, it doesn't appear to say your name on it.
Oh, you're right. You can have it.
Help! Help! Our ship is sinking, and all our gold will be lost forever. This is my ship.
This is my ship.